Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In this video, we are going to talk about something that might seem a bit technical, but trust me, it's really important to understand. Especially if you're a Windows 11 user, we are going to explain what driver signing is and how it works in Windows 11. You might have encountered this problem where some drivers just won't install or older hardware stops working after updating to Windows 11. That's because Microsoft has been cracking down on driver signing. So let's break it down for you in simple terms. Before we dive in, remember to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss any of our awesome videos. Let's get started. So first off, let's talk about what a driver is. The driver is like a language translator for your hardware. It helps your PC's operating system, like Windows 11, communicate with hardware such as your graphics card, printer, sound card, or even a USB device. Without the correct driver, your hardware can't work properly or at all. Think of it like trying to talk to someone who doesn't speak your language. You need a translator to help you communicate, and drivers do the same thing for your hardware. Now let's discuss what driver signing is. Driver signing is like a digital seal of approval. It's a way to verify that a driver is exactly what it claims to be and that it hasn't been tampered with. This is done by using a digital signature, which is like an electronic fingerprint. It proves three important things about a driver. First, it confirms that the driver is from the real developer who created it. Second, it ensures that the driver hasn't been modified or corrupted in any way. And third, it shows that Microsoft has verified and approved the driver. But why does Windows 11 require drivers to be signed? There are a few key reasons. First, it helps with security by stopping harmful programs like malware or rootkits from pretending to be legitimate drivers. Next, it improves stability by reducing the number of crashes caused by incompatible or modified drivers. Finally, it helps build trust by ensuring that drivers come from verified developers. This way you can be confident that the drivers on your PC are safe and reliable. Now let's break down how driver signing actually works. The process starts when a developer creates a driver. They then sign it using a special digital signature which acts like a unique fingerprint. Once the driver is signed, Microsoft can verify the signature, and if it's valid, they give it a trusted signature. When you install an unsigned driver on Windows 11, it will block it, unless you turn off driver signature enforcement through advanced startup options. By default, this setting is turned on and recommended to keep your PC secure. However, turning it off can help you install unsigned drivers for troubleshooting purposes, but please use this with caution and only from trusted sources. To check if your drivers are signed, open Device Manager. Right-click on the device you want to check and select Properties. Then go to the Driver tab and check the digital signature. If the driver is signed, you'll see a message saying the driver is digitally signed. We hope this video helped you understand driver signing and how it works in Windows 11. It's an essential part of keeping your PC safe and stable, but it can sometimes prevent you from using certain drivers. By understanding how it works, you can better troubleshoot any issues you might face. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.